Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into the Netflix website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then after you've opened up your browser, in the search bar you can type in Netflix website, tap on the first link saying Netflix, tap on sign in at the top right of your screen. Here you must enter either your email or your phone number and then hit continue. After you've hit continue, Netflix will send a sign-up link to your email. After that, you need to open the email app on your device. For now, I'm going to be opening Gmail as I'm logging with Gmail. Tap on the email sent to you by Netflix, and then tap on Finish Signing Up. Tap on Finish Sign Up, after which you'll have to hit Next, and then choose your plan. Hit Next again. After which you'll have to add your payment method. You can either use Visa or your credit or debit card. After this, you'll be able to sign into Netflix and enjoy the movies and shows. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.